seatbelt is for a 1968 to 1972 GMC pickup. This fits the driver and passenger side. I'm going to show you how to install the Chevy bracket onto the retractor. So you should have 2 bolt covers, 2 1-inch bolts, 2 hex nuts, and 2 lock washers. First, we're going to start with the driver's side. When installing the bracket, make sure it's facing this way. This hole goes on the back of the retractor. Take your bolt and slide that on the inside. Flip that around and take your lock washer. Between the bracket and the lock washer, that's where the floor of your vehicle will go. Slide that right on. Take your hex nut, screw it. You're going to need a wrench to tighten that up. Take your bolt cap and snap it right on. Next is the passenger, similar to the driver. Make sure the bracket's facing this way. Put this hole on the back of the retractor. Take your bolt, slide it right in. Turn it around. This is where the floor of your vehicle will go, between the bracket and the lock washer. Slide that right on, and the hex nut. Again, you will need a wrench to tighten it. Take your bolt cap and snap that right on. If you have any questions, please contact us at 405-736-0088.